Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you caught my first two videos on spring cleaning my house. I first gave some tips and then we spring cleaned my laundry room. So follow me along and spring clean your house, have the cleanest house around. Now I want to talk about what products I'm using in my home on a regular basis. So just like you, I use traditional cleaners for a super long time. And what I found out, I remember distinctly when I was pregnant with my firstborn and I felt so uncomfortable using regular cleaners that I got off the store shelves to clean my bathroom. And I was pregnant with my first. My husband and I actually had a fight about it. I felt so uncomfortable, but I did it anyway because I convinced myself, well, these are on the market, so they're safe. Well, you know what? We know today that these are not safe. So I replaced pretty much the major cleaners in my home with just one single plant-based cleaner. Now you can Google Thieves Household Cleaner Home Experiments to maybe find more about how well and how amazing it works. But you know what? This plant-based cleaner, these oils, essential oils, and plant-based products in this cleaner are amazing for cleaning your home. Now, one thing to note is here are some ingredients you want to avoid in your plant-based cleaners. And please note that a lot of plant-based cleaners that are marketed as safe and green are actually not. So you have to look for those mystery cleaners to make sure that yours are also safe. Google the ingredients. I can't tell you enough to make sure you are being conscious about your purchases, especially when you are meaning so well to purchase really healthy products for your family. I totally get it. I've done it before too. So avoid these ingredients in your cleaners. Fragrance. There are hundreds, maybe hundreds of chemicals that can be labeled as fragrance that are not good for your health. Phthalates, sodium hypochlorite, formaldehyde, ammonium chlorides, ammonium hydroxide, butylglycol, or 2-butoethanol, yes. So you want to avoid a lot of those cleaners that you really don't understand, a lot of those chemicals in your product that you don't understand what the heck they're for. You can Google all about them and find out, I don't need this in my life at all. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about Thieves Cleaner again. I have absolutely replaced so many things with my Thieves Cleaner, but what? And the other question you may be asking is it expensive? This is a concentrate. Wholesale members can purchase it for right around, I believe it's $22.50, or maybe it's just a little bit more than that. All you need is one capful to a bottle, or if you're using it in your bathroom, 2 capfuls to a bottle. A friend of mine recently got, oh yes, 52 bottles out of this Thieves household cleaner. You are gonna save so much money, it's gonna be crazy. And let's not forget all the things that we can use this one cleaner for. We can use it for our windows. We can use it for our surfaces, all of our surfaces. I use it for my tubs. I use it for my toilets. I use it for my floors. I use it for all of the things. And it's been good on wood. It's been good on granite. It's been good on stainless steel. I haven't found a material that it doesn't work for. So, and every once in a while, there's a few modifications that you can make for the recipe, maybe for your oven or other things. Plus, if you have kids at home, you can know that it's safe for them to be able to help you clean. How valuable is that to teach your kids how to clean? Oh my goodness, so valuable. I've also got the question over and over, is this safe for my pets? You know what? I have hundreds of users that use this on their pet, not on their pet, that use it in their home, and they have pets for years and years, and it's completely safe. It's amazing. It comes with, in here are clove, lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus. Go ahead and look those up in PubMed if you want to find out what kind of cleaning power they have. If you'd like some more recipes, go to @RevolutionOils on Instagram and go to our highlight titled Spring Cleaning, and you will find some incredible recipes. So you might be asking yourself, what are some of the risks from the harsh ingredients of the chemical cleaners I use all the time? Well, allergies, hormone disruption, endocrine system disruption, organ system toxicity, carcinogens, respiratory effects, and skin irritation is part of some of these risks of harsh ingredients. Some people also say that some of these harsh ingredients may be causes of cancer. Now let's talk about some other products that I love to use that are great for my family. One, this is a Thieves dish soap. And it also, if you are on a budget and you want to dilute it down, it is so highly concentrated, we can give you recipes for that. Once you become a member with us, we have lots of resources in our Facebook group, or we can email them to you that you can glean from. Also, Thieves Laundry Soap. Again, amazing product, great and plant-based, and you can dilute it if you are on a budget. We also have our Thieves hand soap refill, as well as, of course, you can buy the Thieves foaming hand soap. Amazing products, and they work so well. And you know that you can have clean, plant-based products that can be delivered right to your door. How amazing is that? And then let's talk about another issue inside our homes. When we use dryer sheets, they contain VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds. These volatile organic compounds are also known to cause an array of health problems, many of which we already listed below. They get into our air, they get sometimes blown outside or into our indoor air, and they become dangerous. Now, I have, instead of dryer sheets, I will use wool dryer balls. We will link to some wool dryer balls to Amazon down below. A lot of times I will put my essential oils on these dryer balls and throw them in for some extra smell because we love those amazing smells, right? I mean, the amazing smells help things smell clean, even if they're not. Sometimes they mask dirty, or breathing those in can cause health problems, right? Another great product that we have that you could use in place of dryer sheets is baby wipes. They totally work totally well for dryer sheets. They're amazing. So those are just some of the products that you can use to replace toxic ones in your home with healthier ones. A lot of these products, if you buy them from the store shelf, they're gonna have chemicals in them that are not good for your health, that cause a lot of those health problems that we talked about before. So we wanna make it easy for you. When you're a Young Living member, there's a couple ways to get started. You can get started with a Thieves Cleaning Kit, and that's an incredible way to get started with Young Living. Or we can help you customize a kit that works for you. But the Thieves Home Cleaning Kit, the Thieves Premium Starter Kit is a great way to get started. I will put a link below and you can click through, and of course, always find me, message me, leave a comment, and I can get back to you. We have lots of support groups. We have a huge, almost 6,000 member Facebook group that can help you learn how to use your products well. I don't ever want your investment to just not be a good investment for you and your family. This is literally for your family's life, to be able to be life-changing for your family, okay? So I'm happy keep tripping up my words today. I am happy to talk you through this. I am happy to you, and I am happy to plug you into those right resources and coach you through this process being an amazing, healthy change for your family. Plus, I promise you, you can save money by diluting these products.